If you're currently studying for your chemistry exams, you need to make sure you know the difference between these two things. A functional group and then a type of molecule. Functional groups and types of molecules are some things that sometimes get mixed up with each other, so let's go through some examples to make sure that you're more clear on which is which. So when we look at a molecule, we usually can see the functional groups. So in this molecule, we can see that it has a double carbon-to-carbon bond. So think of a functional group as kind of like a fancy part of the molecule. This molecule has a double carbon-to-carbon bond functional group, and the presence of that functional group means that we could class it as an alkene. Let's look at a few more examples and hopefully you'll start to get the idea. If we look at this molecule here, we can see it has this group, which is known as a hydroxyl. The fancy part of this molecule is the functional group known as a hydroxyl group, and the presence of this hydroxyl group in the molecule means that it can be classed as an alcohol. For this one here, it's got this fancy group here. This functional group is known as a carboxyl, and the presence of a carboxyl in a molecule means it can be classed as a carboxylic acid. Then we've got these two molecules here. They actually have the same functional group, this C double bond O group. This functional group is known as a carbonyl, but because the carbonyls are in a different location within the molecule, it actually means that they are two different types of molecule. This one here, where the carbonyl group is at the end of the carbon chain, can be classed as an aldehyde. And this one here, where the carbonyl is in the middle of the carbon chain, can be classed as a ketone. So try to remember the functional group is the part of the molecule that you can see, and then the type or the class of molecule is what you would then class that molecule as being because of the presence of that functional group. So just make sure you pay close attention to the question. Is it asking you to name the functional group, or is it asking you to name the classification or type of molecule? You can tell Cleo's not sitting any exams anytime soon. Bye!